Hello guys, how are you doing? Today is the second part for the tire lever, and right now you are seeing the new printing effect. This looks better on bigger prints, but it is a good sample. The parts that I have today are the tire lever, which you can print, as well as I will leave the files below, or you can buy and I will leave a link to one of them below. The patch kit you can get in most hardware stores for around $1, or you can also get them in Amazon. The first step will be to turn over your bike. Remember to get any attachment off the handle and out of the way. The second step will be to unscrew the wheel through the bolt from both sides. Take off the wheel and put it where you can work on it. Make sure to take off the air bulb for the bike. Then slide the lever upside down and use it as a lever. Place the hole on the wheel line. Then do the same thing by going around the wheel and freeing the inner tube. Slowly start extracting the wheel until only the air valve is left and push it in while slowly removing it. When you got it out, inflate the tube and pass it through a bucket of water to find the leak. When you find the leak, mark it. Then make sure it's the only leak and deflate the wheel. Section on your kit on the leak to clean it up. Apply the paste and cut a square patch. apply the patch and put it under pressure for 3 hours or more. Then do reverse steps to put it back together. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and hit that subscribe button as well as the bell icon. I will leave links to everything I used in the description.